Okay, Jim Colt with Maverick CNC, and we're going to talk a little bit about Maverick's and Mashitech's operation with educational programs. So for vocational technical schools, both post-secondary and secondary type schools, there can be special pricing for the machines that's kind of worked out on an individual basis depending on how that's necessary. So special pricing. One of the things that's also important to this is activated or usable training software seats for the students in a class. So you can have a software seat in theory for everybody sitting in the classroom, which is pretty amazing. And it's just a good plan for teachers to get them into this world of CNC plasma cutting and CNCs in general. Good software package for that as well. So.